Jalen, well, aka Slime_Jalen. Today, guys, you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my stuff I use for slime. And I have it for you guys. So I have them in this bin, this old container bin I used to use for slime. And I slime like the containers. I put the containers in here and the slime stuff in here and all this stuff. And the only thing, okay, let me tell you guys what I have to tell you guys. So the only thing I don't have now, I ordered, so I got glue, I ordered foam beads. Wait, let me look at this book. I have stuff that I ordered. One of these things in here, I want to tell you the thing that doesn't go with slime is a USB charger, because I need a new charger. Mom gave me my Amazon. I mean, $200. So I'm using it. I have a gallon of glue I ordered. I have a USB I ordered. A food coloring I ordered. Some food coloring I ordered. Foam bead I ordered. And the containers I ordered. So the gallon of glue is coming this Friday. So it'll come in the 21st. And then my charger is coming the 25th, next Tuesday. Then my food coloring is coming July 19th. The foam beads and my containers are coming the 19th. And so I just want to make sure you know that. So I do not have. You usually have to. Let's get. So the first thing I have in this bin is a white clear bin, bunch of hearts on it. It's an old bin, so it has stuff on it. Alright. The first thing I have this. Okay. Well, this is my phone, so this mixing tool. Like if I had like shaving cream or something, I'll put it in here. I don't want to make it big like some, but because then when I pour it in, I have to put too much that I don't want in, so I'm just going to use the board, okay? I have to wash this off soon. Then I have this mixing tool. This is a pen, but I'm gonna ask my mom can I come to get like a bag of sticks, those sticks she used. Then I have my hold on guys, hold on. I'm back because my camera got go dead. My camera's on 10, so I have this glass bottle. Then I have these two perfumes. Now this one is pink chill. Then I have this one that's cherry blossom splash. These I'm not gonna put on my slimes, but they're scents because I don't know how scents, but I use these. And these really smell good. My activator, I'm gonna need to refill soon. Like when it's all gone, I'm about to get some more Tide. I use Tide. I don't use Bright. But I have 3 new gallons of Tide. Like the bottles of the big bottles. Then the last few things are containers. So I have this big, well not big, sorry, this medium kind of big container. I'll put big things in here. I might put like some foam slime in here. Whatever it's called. Then the next one is this one that I currently have in this little container with the Korean little dots or not dots, yeah, circles all over the side. And then I'm spraying. Next one. I have a small one. I can put a small foam in here, probably. I'm about to wash this up soon. Next one is this big, and I might put like fill it up because someone has some it like right here. So I'm gonna fill it up, put like this. at the end, I just want to tell you guys something special. So I'll tell you at the end. Next one. This one I currently have a slime in here. You can see some part of the slime. See, look. There's slime in there. So yeah, I currently have a slime in here, but I took it out. And I sold it to my friend. And this is just a regular account for another container like this, and I need to find it. So, yeah. Guys, that was the part I was waiting for you to tell you because I had to wait for it. So, I'm going to tell you how I'm going to do this with all the containers and all stuff. So, when I get, because the containers I'm getting are like similar to these, but like this big and then this big and a small bag. I'm getting 60 of those. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 30. 6 plus 30. I think it's a 30 or 60. 30 or 60. Because 60 we have 6, 30 and 36. So 36 containers. Those probably should be enough, but I'm gonna need more. I can't go this. So when I get my what's it called? Hold on, stuff. I'm going to do a video on me opening my gallon glue, my foam bead. I'm gonna do a video of me opening my gallon, my foam beads, glue coloring, hairs. When I get it, I'm not gonna open it. When I get it, I'm not gonna open it. As soon as I get it, I'm gonna do a video, guys. When the gallon comes, I do a video. No, I'm going to all my packages completely. Then I'm gonna do a video when I'm opening all the packages.